Welcome to the course Android Retrofit 2. I'm so excited to have you here. My name is Gairat Rahimov. I'm developing Android application for more than 4 years. In my experience, I have used different libraries for network connection. I started with HTTP URL connection, and after that I used async HTTP client, and for now I'm using Retrofit library, and in all my projects I'm using this library. So in this course you will learn how to send requests using Retrofit library, and you will learn how to handle responses, and I will show how to use annotations to send requests and handle responses. By the end of this course you will be able to send GET requests with query parameters and headers. Also you will be able to manipulate URL in order to send parameters. You will be able to send POST request with multi-part form data and URL encoded form data. You will be able to integrate JSON and XML converter. Moreover, you can integrate logging interceptor in order to show logs in Android Mentor. In the beginning of this course, each student may have such question: will be this course fun and engaging? As an instructor, my answer is yes. In this course, I will try to give minimum theory, which is boring. I will try to give maximum examples with code. In this course, you will have 12 practical tasks with solution. In this way, you can learn by doing. In the end of this course, we will create soccer application from scratch using Retrofit library. So this course will be practical and engaging. So are you ready? Let's get into it.